Hi everyone, in this video I will show sound and vibration settings on Spark Go 1. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.